Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Regions Financial, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with Regions Financial, gather your financial documents. Start by collecting your bank statements, pay stubs, and bills. Next, assess your monthly income. Include all sources of income such as salaries, bonuses, and side hustles. Now, list your fixed expenses. These are costs that don't change month to month, like rent and insurance. After that, list your variable expenses. These include groceries, entertainment, and clothing, which can fluctuate. Then, categorize your expenses. Create sections for needs, wants, and savings to get a clearer picture. Once categorized, total each section. This will help you understand where your money is going. Now, evaluate your spending habits. Identify areas where you might be overspending. Next, set realistic budget goals. Decide how much you want to allocate for each category. After establishing your budget, open a budgeting tool. Regions Financial offers tools through their website and app. Input your income and expenses into this tool. This will help track your progress. Regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes, and so should your budget. Set reminders to revisit your budget monthly. Make changes based on any increases or decreases in your income. Consider using Regions Financial savings products. These can help you manage and grow your savings. Finally, stay disciplined and track your spending. Check your transactions against your budget regularly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.